Zanam pravit vaibhav na chondum, luban bhugan baram na prai, somui ahar setha zonum, cholum dok gav polum dai. In this lalvak, Lala says, Zanam pravit vaibhav na chondum, which means I was born but I never chased power or wealth. Here, she is teaching us non attachment. She is telling us that freedom begins when the world cannot own your heart. She reminds us that real wealth is being free inside and not being big outside. Then she says, Luban Bugan Baram Naprai, which means I never ran after sensory pleasures. No greed, no excess, no noise in the soul, just a calm mind and a life guided by awareness. And finally, she says, Somai ahar setha zonum solum dok gav polum dai. Here she means I ate little, drank in balance, and even when pain hit me, like deep wounds, I kept walking, not towards revenge, not towards fear, but towards enlightenment. Here she is telling us in this lalwak the power of moderation and fearless spirit, a life lived light, steady, and true.